The best DIY home hacks, according to 16 influencers. I like the idea of leveling up when DIYing. What I mean is taking something and making it better as opposed to making something out of thin air. I love doing things like painting an old thrifted piece of furniture and adding new hardware or putting a fun trim on a simple, cheap curtain panel. It's super easy but has a big impact. Emily Henderson. We love getting a bundle of eucalyptus at our weekend farmers market and hanging it from our shower head. The scent is incredible and elevates our shower both aesthetically and experientially. Sarah and Rich Combs. My favorite home hack would be placing your sheet sets into their matching pillowcases. The linen closet tends to be one of the most overlooked spaces in your home. This is a simple yet efficient solution. Rivka Davidowitz. We've restored old hairpin leg planters, revived picture frames and made plastic Ikea shelf brackets look like expensive metal beauties, all with the help of spray paint. Never underestimate the power of a little paint. Lily Pettit. One of the easiest and most useful DIYs you can do is shelving. Buying shelves can be expensive, and sometimes you have a specific need or dimensions and you can't find what you are looking for. So if you do it yourself, then you can get exactly what you need for a lot less money. Casey Freeman plus Savannah McNeil. I am a little crazy for IKEA. My favorite hack is to hang the Besta wall units side by side along a wall and use unique or bespoke hardware to make it feel more luxe. I also have been known to order store-bought curtains and unpick the hems and straighten them with a hair straightener to get them to fit a space without having to go custom. Ha ha ha. Taylai Roth. You can build and hang open shelving very easily and inexpensively. We cut and stained our own wood shelves and hung them on the wall with spray-painted brackets from a hardware store. We did 4 shelves in our kitchen for about $60, and always get a lot of compliments on them. Audrey Kuther. Command ledges in the bathroom. I don't have a medicine cabinet and they've saved my life. Evidence here. Grace Atwood. Just because your dining room is technically called your dining room, it doesn't mean that you can't swap it with your family room furniture and turn it into a hangout space. We recently moved into our new place and we played a little bit of musical chairs with our furniture until we found the right spots for everything. What once was an entry area became our living room lounge area, and what was once used as a living room became a big open dining area. Don't be afraid to move things around and use your home in the best way possible for you. Bobby Burke. We have the simplest but most effective coat closet hack. Hang 1 or 2 lengths of cotton cord across the inside of your coat closet door and line it with clothespins. Use the clothespins to pin up all your winter hats and gloves. You'll never have another glove go missing. Chelsea Foy. While I'm not one to do a lot of DIYs, I'm a huge fan of the IKEA hacks that are now on the market. Sites like Semi-Handmade let you customize IKEA pieces in ways that look custom. Aaron Heemstra. The first thing I did as soon as I moved into my apartment was add dimmers to all of the light switches. I can't tell you what a huge difference it makes in the way a room feels. Not to mention, it only costs a few bucks and it really isn't difficult to do it yourself. Brady Tolbert. Making paper plants that look real or even sculptural. They always look fresh and green. Leah Griffith. I love using beeswax in our home, so I'll often end up buying a whole bunch of it in bulk and turning it into DIY candles. We burn them all around the house because of the natural cleaning power of beeswax. It's seriously amazing. Rachel Fawcett. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.